Hello guys, today I've got DOOGEE BoneAir Swim and I'm going to show you why won't your device charge. Why won't your device charge is actually a very common issue on headphones like this. Headphones like this, with this magnetic charging. The first thing that you need to check is that if you've got this place clean, not watery and not oily, and this part, not this one, this part not watery and not oily. If you've got it oily or any other thing like that, clean it with microfiber cloth and then check if it works. Mine works. If yours doesn't work, the issue may be in the cable. Try to find any other cable like this, like for example buy one or just borrow one from somebody and check if it works. Try switching power bricks, try switching everything, and if it still doesn't want to work, it's probably damaged. That's it. Bye.